In today's problem, we're going to be talking about units. So in our first problem, we have the information that a car is traveling at a constant speed of 55 miles per hour. We want to know if the car travels for 30 minutes, how far will the car have gone in miles? So our conversion that we have of 55 miles per hour is obviously in units of miles per hour. However, our time is in minutes. So first, we're going to have to take our 30 minutes and we're going to have to convert it into hours. So we know that there is 1 hour per 60 minutes. So this means that we've also traveled for 0.50 hours. Now we can take that 0.50 hours and we can use our conversion of 55 miles per 1 hour. And when we do this out, we see that our car will have gone 28 miles. So pretty simple. Now moving on to one a little bit more complicated. We have that water is flowing through a pipe at an unknown rate. We know that in 3 minutes, 42 grams of water flow through the pipe. And we want to know how fast the water is flowing through the pipe in cubic inches per second, and we're given that the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. So we need to find something that has units of cubic inches per second. We have a time and we have a mass. And since we're given a density, we can turn our mass into a volume. So let's start by doing that. We take our mass of 42 grams and we use the conversion given, which is 1 gram per 1 cubic centimeter. And then we have to get that into cubic inches. Now this is a little trickier. So we know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. It is also true that 1 cubic inch is equal to 2.54 cubed cubic centimeters. So this means this. So that's the conversion that we're going to use here. 2.54 cubic centimeters cubed per 1 cubic inch. And when we do this, again, understanding that this is what we'll be dividing by right here, we get 2.56 cubic inches. Now, we've gotten our mass into a volume and then into the correct units of volume. Now we just need to get our time into the correct units. So again, we have 3 minutes, and we know we want to go to seconds, right? And we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And so we know that this 3 minutes is equal to 180 seconds. So the last thing we need to do in order to get the answer that we want is we take our cubic inches, which is 2.56 cubic inches, and we divide by our seconds, which is 180 seconds. And taking into account our sig figs, we see that the water was flowing through the pipe at a rate of 0.01 cubic inches per second.